What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video I will show you how to download VLC media player on Windows 11. I will show you the step you have to use to install the VLC media player, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. To install the VLC media player, open any browser you have like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Internet Explorer, any browser you have. Once it's open, on the top search bar, type in there VLC media player. Afterward, you will see this link https://www.videolan.org. Click on VLC media player. Here you'll see VLC media player. Click on download. It will start downloading on your Windows 11 PC. As you can see, it's asking for the destination folder on Windows 11. Let me select download, click on save, and you can see it's downloaded. Just click on this arrow and click on open. And afterward, you will get UAC control screen. Click on yes. And it will start showing you all these options. As you can see, click on OK, click on next, click on next. Leave all the option as it is same, click on next. If you want to change the destination folder, then you can change it from here. Click on browse and select the drive where you want to install the VLC media player and click on install. It will take some time to install on your Windows 11 PC. Afterward, you will see this icon in here. If you want to play any movie or video using VLC player which you have downloaded on your Windows 11 PC, then you simply have to do a right click on that video. If I do a right click on VLC, then here you'll see something like open option, like open with. And then you select that open with option, and afterward you will see list of application you can use to play that video. You simply have to select a VLC media player, and afterward you can able to play that video in VLC media player. So that's all for today. I hope our step helped you to install VLC media player properly on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.